10. Launchpad and Dragonfly, Mark Zuckerberg and Sergey Brin, USA. Tech billionaires are sailing in style. Zuckerberg's Launchpad and Brin's Dragonfly feature high-tech luxury, eco-friendly systems, private cinemas, and cutting-edge navigation, blending innovation with oceanic comfort. 9. Serene, Mohammed bin Salman, Saudi Arabia. Owned by the Saudi Crown Prince. Serene is one of the world's most glamorous yachts. It boasts multiple swimming pools, a submarine hangar, and interiors fit for royalty. 8. Sailing Yacht A, Andrei Melnichenko, Russia. Futuristic and sleek, Sailing Yacht A stands out for its innovative design and technology. It's one of the most advanced sailing yachts ever built, redefining nautical architecture. 7. Ilbar Elisher Usmanov, Russia. The world's largest yacht by gross tonnage. Ilbar represents pure extravagance. It features an enormous swimming pool, luxurious lounges, and state-of-the-art amenities. 6. Drizzle, Amancio Ortega, Spain. Designed by Blohm Plus Voss, Drizzle stretches nearly 92 meters and accommodates 14 guests in unmatched comfort. With a private beach club and wellness zone, its understated elegance on water. 5. Koru, Jeff Bezos, USA. Jeff Bezos' $500 million masterpiece, Koru, is the world's tallest sailing yacht, with 3 230-foot masts, jacuzzis, a cinema, and a wooden Norse goddess sculpture. It's a floating symbol of power and grace. 4. Scheherazade, owner unknown, seized by Italy. At 140 meters long, this mysterious super yacht includes gold-plated bathrooms, a Turkish bath, cryotherapy chambers, and a hydromassage spa, an unmatched palace on the sea. 3. Streets of Monaco, concept yacht $1 billion. Designed as a floating city, this ambitious project replicates Monaco's landmarks, including the Monte Carlo Casino and go-kart tracks. It's a dream world of luxury still waiting to set sail. 2. Azzam, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, UAE. At 590 feet, Azzam is the world's largest private yacht, powered by a 94,000 HP system. It speeds up to 31.5 knots while offering supreme elegance and modern Arabian luxury. 1. Eclipse, Roman Abramovich, Russia. Topping the list, Eclipse is worth a stunning $1.5 billion. This 536-foot marvel features bulletproof glass, anti-paparazzi lasers, 2 helipads, a mini submarine, and a crew of 70. Pure billionaire dominance on water.